second problem of your book back question in the lesson electrostatics. The question is, the total number of electrons in the human body is in the order 10 to the power 28. So they have given the total number of electrons in the body. Number of electrons, n value is 10 to the power 28 is given. And what they are saying is, suppose due to some reasons you and your friend has lost 1% of this electron. So what is this 1% of electron? It is 1% of this electron, 10 to the power 28. You can write this 1% is 1 by 100 of this 10 to the power 28. So this can be written as, bring this 100 to the numerator, it is 10 to the power minus 2 into 10 to the power 28. When you add up the powers, it becomes 10 to the power 26 electrons. So this 1% of electron lost is what? 10 to the power 26. So we have found the number of electron value to be 10 to the power 26 after losing this 1% of electrons. And we know that the E value is, it is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So what is one charge value? Q. Relating this Q, N and E, the formula is Q is equal to N into E. So my N value is 10 to the power 26 and the E value is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So add up the powers of your 10s here. It is 1.6 as such, and 10 to the power 26 into 10 to the power minus 19. 26 minus 19, it is 7. So into 10 to the power 7. So this is my charge value Q. This is for you and your friend. That is the charge on the person 1 and also the charge on the person 2. It is both one and the same, which is 1.6 into 10 to the power 7 coulomb. So they have mentioned here both the persons are separate. See, let me take this as person 1 and this is person 2. The charge on the person is Q1 and Q2. And they've given, they are separated by the distance 1 meter. So the distance between this Q1 and Q2, that is R12, is 1 meter. What you have to find is, you have to find the electrostatic force here. So electrostatic force, Fe, is what you have to find. And the formula for finding the electrostatic force is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 by R12 square. So this 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is nothing but the constant K, whose value is 9 into 10 to the power 9. And now we know the Q1, Q2, R value here, substitute it and you can find the answer for F. So my Fe value is nothing but 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1, Q2 by R12 square. I know the Q1 value is equal to Q2 value, which is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power 7 coulomb. And R12 is 1 meter. Meter is in the SI unit, so it is as such 1 meter. And the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is simply 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton. So substitute there in the equation Fe. It is 9 into 10 to the power 9 instead of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. And for Q1, it is 1.6 into 10 to the power 7. And again for Q2, it is 1.6 into 10 to the power 7 divided by R1 square, which is 1 square. So 1 square is simply 1 into 1, which is simply 1. So anything divided by 1, you'll get the numerator value. So it is 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 1.6 into 10 to the power 7 into 1.6 into 10 to the power 7. Add up all the 10 powers value here and I'm writing the remaining terms separately. So 9 into 1.6 into 1.6 into 10 to the power 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 9, 23. So we have the value as 9 into 1.6 into 1.6 into 10 to the power 23. When you multiply all these values, it is 23.04 into 10 to the power 23. So this can also be written as, I'm adding up 110 here. So it is 2.3 into 10 to the power 24. It is Newton, which is my electrostatic force Fe value. So we have got the electrostatic force value as 2.304 into 10 to the power 24 Newton. And we have to compare, they have given that assume the mass value of the person to be 60 kg and you have to compare it with your weight. So to find weight is nothing but mass into my acceleration due to gravity g. And the acceleration due to gravity value, you know that it is 9.8 meter per second square. So substitute the values here and find the weight value. Then it is 60 into 9.8. So when you multiply this, it would be 588. The weight is 588 kilogram meter per second square. And you have to compare the weight with my electrostatic force. So for that, Fe divided by W. If you do that, it is 2.304 into 10 to the power 24 divided by 588. So if you divide this, you would get the answer as 0.00391 into 10 to the power 24. So when I bring this decimal 3 points aside, it becomes 3.91 into 10 to the power 22. So this is what is your value. That is, my electrostatic force and weight differs by this much number of times. So this is all about the second question.